Relaxation is the state of reduced tension and stress in the mind and body. There are several methods and techniques that can be used to achieve relaxation, including deep breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, visualization, mindfulness, and meditation, yoga, and Tai Chi. Deep breathing exercises involve taking slow, deep breaths and focusing on the breath as it enters and exits the body. This can help to reduce stress and anxiety by slowing down the heart rate and lowering blood pressure. Progressive muscle relaxation involves tensing and then relaxing different muscle groups in the body, starting with the feet and moving up to the head. This technique can help to release tension and promote a sense of calm. Visualization and mindfulness involve focusing on the present moment and clearing the mind of negative thoughts and distractions. This can be done through meditation, yoga, or other practices. Yoga and Tai Chi are ancient practices that involve a combination of physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation. They can help to improve flexibility, balance, and overall well-being. It is important to find a relaxation technique that works best for you and to make time for relaxation on a regular basis in order to reduce stress and improve overall health and well-being.